Hey guys, what's up? It's Geoff here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to script a moving part. So like, if you wanted this to move to side, up and down, just randomly, so something. But I'm not going to leave the script to be copied and pasted in the description below, because I mean, really, if I just did that, would I be teaching anything? Okay, so anyway, something that you want to have enabled before you do this is go to View Selector. So this will just show you the direction of the coordinates relative to where you're facing. So like Z would be going left and right, X would be going front and back, and Y would be going up and down relative to where I'm facing. So first, yeah, you're going to want to spawn a part, and inside this part, a script. Just script. So yeah, delete this obviously. Now what you're going to want to do is local part equals script dot parent. Alright, then if you just want this to move one direction, local direction equals just put down 1. So now you're going to do part dot position equals part dot position plus vector3.new. So vector3.new is basically it's basically a way where you can add it on to the current part's position, and then you don't have to do like put in the exact coordinates where you want it to go. So then let's say we want it to move forward. So you're going to do 1 times direction. Now I know some of you are probably thinking you could probably just put in direction, but sometimes that just won't work for some reason. I'm not sure why, but there's a workaround. And 0, 0. Oh yeah, another thing you're going to want to put in is so Control X that. While you're going to want to put in a while true do loop. Alright, and then let's go ahead and run that. Alright, we'll just take a second. Oh, and do not know where it's gone. Oh, yep, forgot to do something. Okay, you also have to put in a wait, otherwise it'll just go in an infinite speed, because it'll basically go the fastest your computer can render, fastest the server can handle. So we can say wait 0.1. Yeah, I think 0.1 is good. Alright. Yep, and there we go. It is moving. The only thing is, it'll just keep going forever. So if you don't want that, what you're going to want to do is put in some boundaries. If part dot position dot x. So x is the 1 times direction on the vector3.new. Okay, so part dot position dot x equals no, sorry, not equals, is greater than 25, because sometimes it won't be completely reliable just to say equals 25. Sometimes if it glitched and went past that, there would be nothing to back that up and it would just keep going forever. So then you'd want to say direction equals -1. So this direction is currently 1, so that makes it go backwards. So what this is saying is once the position of the part is greater than 25, then the part will start going back the other way. And then you want to do kind of the same thing with the other way around. So if part dot position equals part dot x is less than -25, then direction equals 1. So that means once it gets less than -25, then it'll go back the other direction. And it will keep doing this forever, supposedly. Let's test it. Okay, so alright, so it's going this way, and it's going back the other way. So these kinds of boundaries can be useful when setting up an obby, let's say with a moving part. I think I forgot to anchor them. Yep, that is another thing, you need to anchor them. But yeah, see, you got this whole little thing going on here. So now, let's say you wanted it to move, like, randomly. So yeah, let's get this out of here. So what you might want to do is, instead of just putting 1, put math.random. So math.random generates a random value between the numbers you specify. So in here, you put the minimum value and the maximum value. But sometimes this can break, so what I would recommend doing is, also this will generate random speeds too, -10, and then 10 times 0.1. And then local direction 2. So local direction 2 will be the y-axis. Why not? So this will equal math.random -10 times 0.1. Local direction 3 equals math.random -10 times 0.1. Alright, so now what we gotta do is plug in the values. So now we're going to do this here. 1 times direction 2. So we'll type that in. And then 1 times direction 3. Alright, so then there's this, and we gotta do the same thing with the other coordinates. So if part.position is greater .y is greater than 25, then direction 2 equals -1. Well, actually, if you wanted it to move random, you would want to put in another math.random for each one. Math.random minus 10 1 minus 1 times 0.1. So basically that'll make it stay moving within the boundaries, but if you kept it at if you included a positive number in the random values, then what could happen is the random number would cause the part to keep going beyond the boundaries. So then you have to, and then vice versa for if part.position.x is greater than is less than negative 25, math.random 1 10 times 0.1. So yeah, this will generate random speeds, and then math.random minus 10 1 times 0.1. And that should do it for the random script, and there you go. It moves randomly, just as intended. And it also has a slightly random speed because of how it's set up. And guys, I think that'll do it for this video. If you liked this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Post every Monday. If you have if you want me to do a video on something in particular, leave a comment below. Alright, see you next time.